Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So as you see here, that the daily chart over here today, we've been discussing, me and the people they follow me in my Telegram channel. By the way, even you, if you want, you can follow us there. We've been talking, it's been the market tell here, and me, I told them if we break in that level here, we're going to see the Bitcoin going very high. But it fell down again, and as you see it, but let's wait in the coming days what they are going to tell us, because the Bitcoin, as you see it here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then after that it's going up. Over here the same thing, 1, 2, 3, and over here is 4. That one it came green. Everything is still the same, nothing was changed, because we're still waiting here what's going to happen till tomorrow. Then we're going to come back to you and we analyze for you, but till now us we still haven't changed from that uptrend we are in. We're still in a uptrend. Unless if the market telling us the market is going to change that, we're going to close all our long and we will open a short position from there. That's it. That's how us we trading. Till now there is nothing new here, and even if we look in here at the trend line, the daily trend line here and the weekly trend line being falling down from all, till now we couldn't break it here. As you see there, even if we zoom in like that, what you see in here, we break it here, then we couldn't go back inside here again, and today it show us a big power here. Also, we're still waiting if the market is going to break that last high here or no. Till now, everything is still looking bullish. Unless if the market came and telling us something not right, then also we will close it, and there is no reason now also for us to close a short. And by the way, someone he told me he entered from here, and me I've been talking about that level here thousands of times. What me I said, I told you that level here, look at it, is a very stronger supply and demand zone. It needs at least to break here for you to enter long. Till now there is no entry here. Over here, only if you are a mad person you can enter. And look here, you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. All that zone here is a supply and demand zone. There it's breaking here, that's another story. We are near to break the 23k, but the market show us the contrary, so us we still waiting now. That's it. And what me I told you here about the daily, what me I said here about the daily, people they been with us for some time now. What me I said here about the daily, we make it like that. When the market here, I told you maybe the one just like a wake up pattern. I show you all those things before. From here, look till where it went back till here. And what me I told you it need to break here, to break that last high which is here, for us to thinking of the market will go more higher. Till now there is nothing else. We stay here in that level. And by the way, I will repeat it, for long-term traders stick only with daily. For swing traders in the 4 hours, and for scalping and day trading 30 minutes. Remember that. So till now, as we stay in here in that level, we don't know what's going to happen. If either we're going to break up or we're going to reverse from here and we go down, and we will touch here the 200 moving average. Because that's my view. Me personally, I think it's going to touch the 200 moving average. Then after that, it will go up because it needs to give us like that, a higher like that, then another high like that. That the clear picture for us. We changing from that uptrend. And one person he told me is going to go back to 17k. I don't think so. Me personally, I think there is a correction is going to happen only to here, to that 19k here, or exactly to here, that level here we used to hold them before, because that one is breaking up. Maybe it's going to come to touch it here again, then after that it will go up. But 17k is too hard. 18k, 19k maybe, but 17k is too hard now the Bitcoin to go back to it. Unless if it go back to 17k, you are going to go to that 12k those people have been talking about. And also we don't care, we still with it. I think everything is too clear here. Now it's going to see the coming news for tomorrow, because tomorrow is coming very huge news, so it's going there. Here we are. That the coming news for tomorrow, as you see it. The first thing, there is holiday in Australia tomorrow. Then what we got for USA, we got durable goods orders, then we got GDP, then we got initial jobless claim and new home sales. And those ones, they are going to tell you what the Fed is going to do next week, because those ones they give you clear picture. But till now all the investors they're still waiting what the Fed or Jerome Powell is going to tell us, or us we still waiting. And here our friend, the table, us we follow it every day. That one here, all your stocks they close in here red, as you see them, all of them they close in red. And our friend here, that one we're looking at it every day, it's that one the VIX, it's still below 20 and actually it fell down than where we used to be yesterday. That's something very good that man, US market or US stocks, scarcity is getting lower from because before there used to be a lot of scarcity. Now we're closing below 20. That means something very good. So if you are a long-term investors, just DCA, forget about all that. We are very close to the bottom. So start DCA once a day, once a week. We don't know when it's going to be the bottom and no one can time exactly the bottom. I think everything is too clear now. Let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours is only for swing trading. So if you are a swing trader, just watch only 4 hours. If you are a long-term trader, watch the daily. If you are a scalper, watch only 30 minutes. You find them down. Every chapter is got the time next to it and you can go to it and watch everything you want. Also here, what else we said about that 4 hours. Also we came here in the top and we drawing a line like that. And down here, one like that. We said if it's breaking up, we'll enter long. Yes or no? People, they be in with me. It's been breaking here and me I told them that candle it's left for it 2 hours. When that candle finished, look what it gave us here. It gave us here a pin bar. It means it's not yet breaking up here. Told you enter long, told you enter short. There is nothing now. Till now there is nothing, no long, no short. Only if a candle came and closing below here, that level here will enter short. If a candle came and closing above that level here, will enter long. That's it. Also we're still waiting. There is nothing. And the key of success is waiting and passion. So be patient till the right time. A candle breaking here, you enter long. A candle breaking down here, you enter short. Yes, here it try to give you here the market like a price action here like that and like that. But me, I'm not focused about that price action. Me, the only thing I'm focused about that here. Look with me how I draw it. And down here, because down here, as you see it, it gives us here a lot of candles with tails. And here in the top, over here, every time we touch in, we're falling down. And today, it confirmed for us that level is very stronger here. So till a candle breaking up, we will enter long again. If a candle came and closing below that level here, we will close all those long positions also we have and we will enter short. People, they been with me here in the 4 hours where also we enter long. Because me, I know some people they just came now. Also we enter long from down here. Here exactly also we enter long. Look till where we are. And we are risk free. We will not lose nothing. By the way, if that break here happen here and breaking here, where it need to be the first take profit here at that level here, because it will not fall down more till here. Will fall down just to touch here the 200 moving average, and after that it will go up. And here, did we got any price action? Yes, you got one. Look with me here and look with me here. You got here a megaphone. If that one came and breaking up, you enter long again. If it came down here, it's going to fall down till where we started. So we need to wait and what's going to happen in the coming days. And let me show you why me I'm thinking it's going to fall down. Let's go there. Me, I'm thinking it's going to fall down because of that one. Look with me here. I'll show you we got here a very clear divergence here. Yes or no? You see it or no? Look here and look here. You got a very clear divergence here. Should you enter short? You need a price action here telling you need to enter short. Did you got any price action here? Yes, you got one. You got here, that channel here, that one here, or that flag or name it, whatever you want. If that one came and break a lower here, you can enter short. If it's not, there is no entry short. So you need to be focused about those things because that one is just an oscillator. Because I saw some people online debating you, the trading about that, and they're telling you, oh, it's going to fall down to 12K to 17K or whatever. There is nothing telling you the market is going to reverse. The only thing it will tell you the market is going to reverse is the chart. Because the chart, if you see when it happened, that one here, it's never repent itself. That one, it might is going to be entering here and it's being entering here when that candle it's being going up, but when it's finished, look where it's finished. Look at it where it's finished. That's why me I told you indicators, they don't give you the right picture. What give you the right picture is the chart. And the chart here, look what it's giving you here. It's giving you here a up channel like that. I want it will go up here maybe. Or maybe it's going to break down. That's what else we're doing. We're waiting either to break up or either to break down. And that one is going to touch the trend line we got here. Because if you're looking with me here very close, what else we got in here? We got that trend line we got here. That one is going to fall down to touch it here. Then after that, we'll go upward. That one for short term. For long term, the Bitcoin is still going upward. Everything is too clear. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. Even that one, it's telling us we are here at the overbought area. Yes or no? Like how we used to be here at the oversold area here in that level. When it's breaking up here, also we enter long. Look where we are now. Also now here it's enter at the overbought area. Let me show you that. For you to know the indicators, then not every time they working. It enters to the overbought area here and look where we are now. So from here till here. That's why I told you don't follow anyone. He's teaching you to trade with indicators because indicators look where it enters to the overbought area. Look where you are. At price action, let me show you some things. Also, we enter in it the day of FTX. People, they been with me. They remember those things very well. Also, we enter the day of FTX here. Over here, we enter short. Sell down here. Yes or no? People, they been with us. They know those things. And we enter on long from here. We used to have here the triangle is getting broke here. We enter long. Sell here. Yes or no? And we enter here a cup and handle. Those things, they will never go. They will stay here. Same thing like now. You need here a price action telling you the market is going to reverse. Yes, you got here a divergence, but the price action, you don't got any price action. Yes, you can make like that a channel, but it's the same thing if it's breaking lower here. So you need to wait in where is the market is going to break, either to break up or to break down for you to enter short, because those things, they don't never repent themselves. Those ones, they enter to the overbought or oversold, but they repented themselves thousands of times. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see if there is any scalping opportunity there. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. 30 minutes, just the last video where I analyzed the SP500. What I told you here. I told you got here a double bottom and here the neckline. It's breaking here. Look till where it went. And what I told you when it enter our indicator to the overbought area, you check the profit. And by the way, the trading strategy I'm talking about here, very well explained in our day trading course. If you want, you can join it because it's not expensive. It's only 13 bucks, but that is up to you. What else we said here? Here, exactly. I told you if you are very aggressive, you draw it like that, a trend line like that, and if it's breaking here, you enter long. That's what me I told you. So well, if it's breaking here, you enter long till here, and where me I told you you need to take profit. I told you here at that level here or that level here. Yes or no? Look at them. And another thing here. Here, in 30 minutes, you need to focus it with me about that one very well. Also, we used to have here a triangle. The triangle here, it's getting broke. The market went up, it fell down. Now it's touching the triangle from up. Yes or no? Now let's see if it's going to go up and to break for us that last high here. If it's breaking that last high here, you're going to see the Bitcoin going very high. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator is telling us it's enter here at the overbought area. It enter here exactly in that place. Now, if you want to enter short, got any price action here indicating for you the market is going to reverse or something, you can make like that and like that. You got a small megaphone here, or you wait in the market to give you a double top or something here to give you a price action here for you to enter short. Till now there is nothing, just our indicator is enter here to the overbought area. So here in 30 minutes there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more what the market is going to tell you. Everything is too clear, guys? That's it for that video. See you after European market close. Bye for now.